Hello, so today I'll be showing you how I calibrated and first assembled the RoboSoul, which is a humanoid robot. So the package came in having a lot of servos, and that's the servo that I'm showing you now. And then it had the Arduino board and the controller and then the charger and lots of different parts. So first we had to put the different parts together, starting with the leg. And as you know, servos only work with pulse width modulation, so we had to connect each servo to the PWM pins of the Arduino. And actually it was very interesting doing this project because I love robotics, I love robots, I love anything moving, I love IoT stuff. And yeah, like that is the leg part, and we had to use 3 or 4 servos, and we used the Lobot servo controller software to control the servos, to check if they're working properly, if they're moving in the right direction we want them to move. And actually the servo controller software was pretty easy because it's very visual. And then through this software you can create action files to make your robot move in a certain way, or to control your robot. That was really cool. And then we did the arms. The arms needed just 2 servos for up and down movement and left and right movement. And you can see the board there, the microcontroller board, where we uploaded all the files from the software into the microcontroller. And then the microcontroller was put behind the chest of the robot, as you can see. And because we don't want to connect it later on in the future to USB to provide the source, the power source, we put a battery there, and the battery is in between the chest. I don't know if you guys can see it.
My knees, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. They all to go.
Ну что, ну типа, блин, это
Three.
время еще малынка не ставят. Ну, это толку не дал. Ты можешь в проектах покрутить, да.
Two.
And now it's time for wiring. We had to connect all the pins, the wires to pins on the board. And like I said, it's connected to PWM pins because that's the only way servos work, servos or stepper motors work with PWM. And then using our software we can control it. And yeah, that's how we're able to assemble it and calibrate it. So the next stage is to create action files for our robots to move in a certain direction. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, it was nice working with this. I really enjoyed it. Take care.